Philips Ambilight TVO OLED819 4K Ultra HD OLED TV. Main features are 4K Ambilight TV, 194 chem, 77 Ambilight TV, P5 AI Perfect Picture Engine, Google TV, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, memory size 16 GB, pre-installed apps Disney+, Apple TV, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Aurora, NFT STB controller. Mains power is a C220 to 240 volt 50-60 Hz. Standby power consumption less than 0.3 W. Power saving features: auto switch off timer, picture mute, eco mode, light sensor. Gaming features are LLM Dolby Vision game, HDMI RRHG, AMD Free Synchronize Premium, NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, HDMI 3x4, HDMI 2.0, HDR Dolby Vision, HDR10 plus HDR10 plus adaptive, HLG, UHDA. Other connections are Common Interface Plus, CI Plus, Ethernet LA, NRJ45. Digital audio out, headphone out service connector, music playback formats, MP3, WAV, CFLAC. Subtitles formats support SR, TSM, ISS, ASEU, BASS, TXT. Picture playback formats are JPEG, GIF, PNG, BM, PHEIF. Processing power is quad-core. Voice Assistant Google Assistant built-in. Works with Alexa. RC with Mic. Smart Home Experience works with Amazon Alexa. Works with Google Assistant. Compatible with Matter. Connects with Control4.